Hello, wonderful viewers. Today, we're addressing a concern that some of you may have encountered, cholesterol deposits around the eyes. But fret not, because I'm here with a natural remedy to help reduce them. Let's dive into the ingredients and steps to naturally address cholesterol deposits. Before we get into the remedy, let's briefly talk about cholesterol deposits around the eyes. These small, yellowish bumps, also known as xanthelasma, can develop due to various factors. Now, let's explore the natural ingredients that may assist in minimizing them. First in our natural healing lineup is castor oil. Castor oil is not just a lubricant, it's a powerhouse with anti-inflammatory and moisturizing properties. Add 1 tablespoon of castor oil to a small bowl. Next up is the vibrant turmeric powder. Turmeric is renowned for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Its active compound, curcumin, may assist in addressing various skin concerns. Add 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder to the bowl. And finally, the soothing aloe vera gel. Aloe vera is a natural wonder with anti-inflammatory and healing abilities. Add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel to our mixture. Now, let's mix these ingredients thoroughly in the bowl. Ensure a well-blended mixture, ready to provide some natural care for those cholesterol deposits around the eyes. To apply this natural blend, start with clean and dry skin around the eyes. Using a clean applicator or your fingertips, gently apply the mixture to the areas with cholesterol deposits. Be cautious to avoid contact with the eyes. Allow the goodness of castor oil, turmeric powder, and aloe vera gel to work their magic. You can apply this mixture daily for a natural and gentle approach to address cholesterol deposits around the eyes. There you have it, a simple and natural remedy for cholesterol deposits around the eyes. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more health-focused content, and share your experiences or questions in the comments. Wishing you a journey to naturally radiant skin. Until next time, take care of yourselves.